Your Highness, first of all, we, the undersigned, on our behalf, on behalf of our party, extend heartiest greeting and good wishes to you. Uttar State Demand Committee is a restart regional political party. It was formed in 1986 to demand implementation of the Article 244A of the Constitution of India. The provision of the Article 244A is the commitment of both the Government of India and the Government of Assam and the Parliament of India, as well the people of the Hills District of Assam, which was passed by the Parliament in the 22nd Amendment in 1969 to create autonomous state within the state of Assam instead of separate state demanded by the people of the then Khasi Hills, Jenta Hills, Garo Hills, and the United Mikil Hills and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District from 1960. The provision provides to form one autonomous state for each hill autonomous district or comprising two or more hill autonomous districts within the state of Assam. Accordingly, Meghalaya Autonomous State was formed in 1970, comprising Khasi Hills, Jenta Hills, and Garo Hills Autonomous District of as well Assam. Unfortunately, Mikil Hills Autonomous District, now Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong Autonomous District, and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District, now Dima Hasao Autonomous District, were left out of that process of the formation of autonomous state under the provision of the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Thus, the implementation of the Article 244A was remained incomplete, and thereby the government deprived the people of Mikil Hills and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District from their special constitutional right. In this backdrop, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, ASDC, jointly with Karbi Student Association, Karbi Nimso Chingtur Assam, and some other organizations have been demanding autonomous state under the provision of the Article 244A of the Constitution of India since 1986. These organizations have spearheaded the autonomous state demand movement since then to achieve the constitutional right of the people of the Hills District of Assam. As a result, an Accord Memorandum of Understanding was signed between the government and the movement organization on the 1st April 1995 in New Delhi. But the Memorandum of Understanding has simply amended some paragraphs of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India instead of implementing the Article 244A of the Constitution. Leaderships of the movement organization were made to understand by the government that the Article 244A of the Constitution could not be implemented due to in absence of the policy for the formation of new state. Fortunately, the government of India has re-adopted the policy for creation of new state. Accordingly, 3 new states were created in 1998. But the government of India did not create autonomous state under the provision of the Article 244A. Hence, the implementation of the Article 244A of the Constitution was left out again. Your Highness, under the above circumstances, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Student Association, and Karbi Nimso Chingtur Assam had to start autonomous state demand movement again from 1998. And the 3 organizations have been launching peaceful and democratic massive struggle consistently and persistently since then and till date. Many memorandums have been submitted to the successive Prime Minister and Union Home Minister, but the government desperately denied to implement the special provision of the Constitution. On the other hand, the government has again created separate state of Telangana in 2013. Moreover, 2 more autonomous territory states were also created in 2019 in place of Jammu and objection from the concerned parent state. Your Highness, autonomous state is the long-standing demand and aspiration of the people of the present Hills District of Assam. Therefore, we the undersigned on our behalf and on behalf of the people of Hills District of Assam earnestly request you kindly to take a step to implement the Article 244A of the Constitution in in order to fulfill the commitment of the Parliament and the Government of India. With regard, ASDC President Bentuk Jalan, ASDC President Benson Timo, and ANC President Benson Timo.
Maka kita berdua yang naik kabin dulu, kita masih kita masih. Naik kabin dulu.